Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to allow reminders to be active while our Do Not Disturb mode is on in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to turn this function on. First of all, we need to access settings. In settings, in sounds and vibration, at the top we have Do Not Disturb. Then in alarms and other interruptions, here are our reminders. So when we turn this option on, reminders will be allowed to send our way notifications when Do Not Disturb is on. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.